Delicious, creamy, overnight cinnamon oatmeal for about 20 cents a person. Make it the night before and no boiling necessary. Easy grab and go, oatmeal on the run. No stove or refrigerator? What's the secret? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's important to get good fiber and calories to fuel your body to start the day. This overnight cinnamon oatmeal for about 20 cents a person is my easy go-to when I know I'm going to have a busy morning because I can just make it the night before and grab and go. So we're going to start with a small container with a lid. You can use a larger one if you're going to make for multiple people. We're going to combine a half a cup of quick oats with a half a cup of water. Next, we're going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Place the lid back on and shake. So we can just leave this on the counter right till morning time and it will be ready to go when we're in a rush. Why can we leave it on the counter for 8 hours? Let me tell you, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural antibacterial ingredient and fights against E. coli, salmonella, and all kinds of other bacteria. I'm not a doctor, just relaying my findings, so do your own research. So now, come morning, all you have to do is open it up, add your honey or syrup, and you're out the door. Easy breakfast on the go.
Let me know in the comments if you knew that cinnamon was a powerful antibacterial used to preserve foods. Pretty cool, right? And follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, and grocery lists to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time.
Crap, I forgot my kids.